my name's Neil Douglas. I'm the HQ manager for Yarra production segment. I was fortunate to join the training today about leadership, teamwork and communication. It's been incredibly informative and good fun from the start to the end, built around a lot of interaction, games, teamwork. That's delivered a really useful training. But throughout all of the sessions that I've participated in today, there's been a clear professional message about the importance that the leaders can offer from working together and sticking to our corporate standards and working as a stronger team together. So thank you very much.
Thank you.